Tape script 11.32.1.
Good morning, students. I want to discuss some things that will be happening at the end of this school year with you. This is usually an extremely happy time, but this year is...
These assemblies seldom give us any new information.
Shh! You really pay attention, so how would you know?
I have been involved in education for many years. In all of those years, I've never wished for a more rewarding occupation.
I wonder what he wants to tell us. Mr. Suwan is normally very matter-of-fact and to the point.
Occasionally, over the past few years, I've wondered what it would be like to not come to school every day. This year, I thought about it more frequently. I've decided at the close of this school year, I will retire.
What? But you've always been our school director. It'll never be the same.
You'll still come to see us sometimes, won't you?
Hey, Witty, how often do you get news like that?
Tape script 11.32.2.
1. I sometimes eat fruit and yogurt for breakfast. 2. My team always wins. 3. I rarely talk to her. 4. Kak Kada is usually working with his father. 5. He is never happy. 6. Dada seldom shares his snacks. 7. Pisay frequently dances while listening to the radio.
Tape script 11.32.3.
Let's answer this survey together and then we can get it done faster.
Okay.
Okay, number 1. I speak English in class. Oh, that's easy. I usually speak English in class.
Really? What about when you are occasionally paired with the boys on the other side of the room? I seldom hear you speaking English then.
Okay. I frequently speak English in class.
Here's one you can forge your answer on PSET. I'm late for school.
Yeah, I'm often late for school. I can't deny that.
I can answer the next one for all of us. I normally communicate in English on Facebook.
Correct. I would always communicate in English on Facebook, but there are things that are sometimes easier to comment on in Khmer.
Look at the next one. I speak English with my friends. I always speak English with my friends.
Well, we have throughout this book at least.
This next one is tricky because it depends on where I go. I use English on holiday. If I go somewhere in Cambodia, I never use English.
Right. But when we were riding through Laos, we usually spoke English because it was easier.
Haha, yeah, or wave our arms.
The last one is a no-brainer. I always read books and magazines in English.
I often read in English if it's an interesting story.
Reading? But I never read books in English or Khmer.